Hello, in this video I'm going to cover a few security tips that you can use for your Facebook. We all use Facebook, and it's often happened that we heard that somebody's account has been hacked or someone has used your account to post stuff that you don't approve. How can you prevent this? How can you make sure that your Facebook experience is as safe as possible? Of course, let's start by ensuring that you should have a unique and very strong password for your Facebook account, and it should not be used for other websites. Other than that, let's look at a couple of settings that you can use to ensure that your account is safe and secure. I'll go to settings, and from there security and login. Here I have a number of options that I can use. First of all, it says which computers or which devices I'm logged in. So if any of this is something that you don't recognize, you can simply log out from here if you think this is not your device or something that you don't approve. Here you can change your password. Let's take a look at the extra security. First, get alerts when about unrecognized logins. As you can see, this is turned on. Here you get a notification whenever somebody tries to log into your account. Even if you're not there or you don't know about that, Facebook will notify you that somebody's trying to log into your account. You can get a notification from Facebook on Messenger and email. So this is pretty handy. Also, two-factor authentication. You can set this up so that whenever you're trying to log in from a device that is not your original device, you have to get a text message or a security key or whatever method to ensure that you are the person, the owner of the account. So two-factor authentication makes it very difficult for anybody to hack into your account. Also, this is a pretty neat feature that Facebook introduced recently. It happens a lot that somebody forgets his password and does not have the answer to the recovery questions. So what do you do if you get locked out of your account? Here Facebook says pick 5 friends to contact if you get locked out. You will add the friends that you trust, and these friends will be notified when you are locked out of your accounts, and they can help you log in again by some sort of code or help methods that Facebook will send to them once this happens. So if you're the kind of person who forgets his password or who changes it a lot, make sure to activate this very cool feature. Another part is about privacy, and here you get to choose who sees your activity. When you post, I've set it for friends. You can change that. Also, you can make sure to review when somebody tags you. This is pretty cool so that you don't get tagged into posts that you don't approve. And you can also specify who can send you a friend request, who can see your friend list, and so on. Make sure to go over these parts and set them properly so that they serve you better and protect your privacy and security as much as you can. I hope this helps, and I hope you enjoy using Facebook safely